Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create and actually sell coloring book on Amazon KDP. It's very easy. All you have to do is create your account on Canva in order to create your coloring books, as well as creating your account on Amazon KDP. So I created some books here on Amazon KDP. They comes in physical book as well as ebooks, and I'm going to explain later on the video why you should consider selling your coloring book in the form of physical as well as in the form of ebook. So we're going to start by the creation of the coloring book. So the easiest way that I found in trying to create the coloring book is by using Canva, and I'm going to give an example to create an ebook coloring book. So all you have to do is try to find the measurement on Amazon KDP. It's very easy. All you have to do is try to search for Amazon KDP cover calculator or calculator in general, and it's going to show you this page right here, in which you'll be able to see all of the details for your page, for your cover page, and you can download your cover page if you want to sell it in physical form. And then if you click on this part right here, you also will be able to see more details about the kind of book that you will need to create. For example, if you would like to make the physical or printed version, you will need the minimum amount of page depending on the size of the coloring book that you will create. So you can use this as a guideline and then start designing your book. So I'm going to create a 6x9 coloring book, and I'm just going to go ahead and click create designs right here, and then click custom size, change the units to inches, and then put 6 for the width and then 9 for the height. Then we're going to go ahead and click create new design. Alright, now that we got our editor, you can start by trying to browse around templates. You can search for coloring books here, and it's going to show you a bunch of templates that you can work with. You can start from here, or if you would like to, you can also create your own pictures. All you have to do is go to the apps right here, try to search for the Magic Media, which is an app on Canva that will allows you to create pictures from AI. So for example, I want to create a flower theme coloring book. So I'm going to add a prompt saying easy flower theme coloring book, and then I'm just going to leave the style as none, and I'm going to choose portrait for my aspect ratio, and then I'm going to go ahead and click generate image and wait until my image is created. Alright, so here are the pictures that we got from the AI image maker. So you can use these pages for your coloring book if you want, or if you would like to make something even more original, you can also try to create your own coloring elements. Now this part is going to be a little bit tricky because if you don't have Canva Pro, there are not much of a good lining type of picture or sketch type of picture that you can use, and I'm going to show you what I meant. So if I go to the element sections right here, and then I'm going to search for flower outline, most of the good ones comes with this symbols right here, which means this is a pro symbols. But there are also some elements that can come for free, like this one's right here. So if I want, I can just toss this around on my page and start creating my own coloring page with this free flowers that are available for free. So if you're trying to use this method, you can play around with your imaginations and start creating your coloring book. And also don't forget to create a cover page for your coloring book and download it separately so that you can upload it into your Amazon KDP. Alright, so once you got your coloring books created, you can then download it, and in order to upload it to Amazon for printing, you're going to need to download it in PDF form. So I usually will download it in PDF print form. Again, don't forget to download the page separately. So this one's we're going to download the whole page, and then we're going to download it one more time, and it's going to be just for the cover, like so. Once you're done creating your books, you can then go ahead and go to your Amazon KDP account and then click on Create. And here you'll be able to upload your book to sell it on Amazon KDP. Now, if you would want to sell it in the form of physical or printed one, you can always go ahead and click this Create Paperback one. But I'm going to also suggest you to sell your coloring book in the form of ebook. So selling your coloring book in the form of ebook will allow you to sell the printable types of coloring books, which means that if you ever run out of books on your physical form kind of books, you can also still make sales by selling your printable form of coloring books. But in order to be able to upload your books into Amazon KDP, you're going to need to download an app, and it's called Kindle Create. Through here, you're going to want to convert your file first from PDF into KDF, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Here, you're going to want to click on Choose, and then mine has a lot of pictures, so I'm going to use this comics one. Then go ahead and click on Continue, add your book title, and then go ahead and click on Continue. Choose the reading direction as well as the landscape page view. Once you're done, you can then upload your file, and these are the supported files. You can only upload PDF, JPG, or PNG. So I'm going to go ahead and add my files. And now we wait until the file are finished importing. Alright, so now that we got our file imported, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on Export. And here you will get your files exported as KPF. So go ahead and click on Save. Once you got your file created, you can then go back to your Amazon KDP and start uploading your ebook. You're going to want to fill in all of the details, such as the name of the writer or the creator, and then the title of the book. So you can go ahead and fill in all of those details. So here on the content upload, you're going to want to upload your manuscript, the one that we have just converted to KPF. Just this one's right here. And then below it, you're going to want to upload your ebook cover. So remember, I told you that you will have to save your cover in different documents, and that is because you're going to need to upload it in different sections here on Amazon KDP. Once you're done with all of the process, you can then see the coloring book on your bookshelves. Now, if you're wondering how you can actually sell this, your book are going to automatically appears on Amazon once it's done reviewing, once it's done being reviewed. But if you would like to boost up your sales, you can also try to promote your book on TikTok Shop or on TikTok. So here you can see, if you go to TikTok and then try to search for coloring book, you'll be able to see there are a bunch of creators that has created content of them doing the coloring books, like this one's right here. And if you're wondering how you can actually sell the books through TikTok, there are two ways that I can tell you. So the first one is by creating an ads on TikTok Shop. So here on my TikTok Seller Center dashboard, you'll be able to see the shoppable video options right here. And here you'll be able to see a bunch of creators that has created a video where they can shop directly through the video. And you can actually create a video about your coloring books through here. So let's say you want to go ahead and click upload to TikTok, and then you can select your video through here and promote your coloring books on the video. So this is just an example video, and if you're going to do the promotion through this way, you can then add on captions some things like DM me for product link, or some things like that, so that people will be able to know that you actually have a product in the form of coloring books and it looks like the one that you're showing on your video. The second way in which you can elevate your sales of coloring books in your Amazon's KDP is by adding a link shortcut. And I'm going to give you an example on this creators right here. So you can see that this creator has created a link tree specifically for the coloring book. So you can actually create things like this with Linktree for free, and then you can just add your coloring books link from your Amazon's KDP. So I'm going to use one of my books for an example. If I click on view on Amazon, I'll be able to get the link of my books, and then all I have to do is copy this link and put it into the Linktree URL box, and so people will be able to see the product links and then buy it through TikTok. There is, however, some things that you will need to know if you would like to do the promotions through the way that I just explained to you. First things first, in order to add links that looks like this, there are some requirements that you will need to do on TikTok. If you manage to have TikTok Shop Seller Centers, meaning that you have already created a TikTok business account, then you're good to go. Every TikTok business accounts have the benefits to add links on their bio. However, if you're going to be using your own personal TikTok account, it's going to take some more steps. So either you will have to join their affiliate program, which also have some requirements such as minimum posting time. I think if you're not active for the past 1 month, you will not be able to join the affiliate program. You will not be eligible for the affiliate program. Or if you don't have a minimum followers, so this TikTok account right here actually already have a lot of followers. It's 129K. And it's going to depend on which countries you live in. I've seen some creators say that the minimum follower in order to be able to join TikTok affiliates program are 5,000 follower. Some countries allows only 1,000 follower. So you're going to want to check on the TikTok affiliate regulations. Matter of fact, let's try to check once for now. All right, so here it says that in order to be able to join the TikTok shop affiliate, you will need 1,000 plus followers, 18 plus years old. You need to be at least 18 years old, and then you can also do the affiliate program by having a business account, like I said earlier, and then resides in eligible countries. So you're going to need to check on your area whether it has the exact same requirements or not. But basically, you'll only be able to add a link on your profile if you have joined on TikTok affiliate or if you have TikTok business. But either way, it is a very good way to promote your product. So using TikTok as a place to promote your product is actually a very good thing, because TikTok is one of the most used apps recently. So you can definitely try this way in order to sell your Amazon KDP coloring books. And that's basically it. That is how you can create and sell coloring books on Amazon KDP. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.